One of the most common questions that we get asked at Green Earth Homes is what is actually the custom design process and how does that actually work? The custom design process is actually a really exciting process that enables you to work with Green Earth Homes and in particular Nathan and myself as the builders behind the company. What we enable you to do is actually work intimately with us through each stage. It's a 4-stage process that starts with the first meeting where we can actually sit down with you and find out everything that you want in your home. We also find out your budget and exactly how you envision seeing your home. During this first stage of the custom design process, we sit down with you and go through all the elements of your home. In this initial meeting, we can give you a very clear indication on what you will be able to achieve for your budget for the home that you're actually looking for. From this initial meeting, we can then actually enter into the second stage of the custom design process. What we are able to do at this point is actually enter into a preliminary agreement, and the preliminary agreement enables us to actually work more closely with you and then go through the actual design of your home. While we're going through the second stage, we're going backwards and forwards, we're having different meetings, we're actually sitting down with you and engaging, looking at your custom design, tweaking it here, making it work better for your family, looking at all the elements that are actually required to go actually into the home. During this preliminary stage, we're also doing the soil tests on your home, so we're finding out what soil capacity you have on your site. If there's a slope stability report that's required, we'll do it at this point as well. And also if an effluent report is required, we'll have this done and completed so we know exactly what is happening on your site. As we come to the completion at this preliminary stage, you'll have a very clear idea on what your home's going to look like. You will have seen elevations, you will know exactly what your facade's going to be. You'll have a very clear idea on your floor plan as well, and you'll know how your home is going to work for you and your family. At this point, we also will have provided you with a clear specifications on all the inclusions in your home, so you will know exactly all the fixtures and fittings that you're going to have as well. Then at the very end of the preliminary stage, we will be able to present to you a fixed price contract so you know exactly the price that it will be to build your home. As we enter into the third stage of this custom design process, we'll actually present you with the building contract and your final selections. You can then enter confidently into your building contract because you know exactly what you're going to receive from Green Earth Homes and exactly what you can expect to see in your custom design. There is no area that we haven't discussed and there's no area that has been left unturned. Once your building contract has been signed, we can then move on to the fourth stage of that custom design process, which is the really exciting part, the actual construction of your home. This is the stage that everybody gets so excited about because we can actually start to see your plan come to life. As we go through each stage of that construction, we start with the base stage onto the slab and then we move through. We'll hold your hand every step of the way so you feel comfortable, you feel relaxed, and the process is actually really enjoyable. That's what Nathan and I really try to focus on when doing your home.